In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an aesthetic page title in Notion. By the end, you'll know a few simple techniques that make your page header look polished, consistent, and on brand, all using tools built right into Notion. First, try a math-styled title for a unique editorial look. Type /math or /equation to insert an equation. Then write your title in LaTeX using Blackboard letters, like \mathbeb, 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 say \mathbeb, \mathbeb. Notion will render those letters in a stylish, double-struck font. Place this equation at the top of your page as the focal point. If your title is longer, break it onto 2 lines or use shorter words to keep it clean. Aim for readability. High contrast backgrounds and shorter words tend to look best with this style. Next, make your title stand out with a callout block. Type /callout to create a neatly framed box. Add an icon to the left for personality and choose a background color that supports your theme. Soft neutrals or pastels keep things calm, while a gentle accent color can draw the eye without overwhelming the page. You can keep your title inside the callout or place the callout just below as a subtitle or tagline to set the tone. If you prefer a simpler approach, highlight the title text directly. Select the title, open the text color menu, or type /color. Then choose a background highlight that complements your page. This works especially well with short, punchy titles. Keep contrast in mind so the text remains easy to read, and stay consistent with 1 or 2 colors across your workspace to maintain a cohesive aesthetic. Add a finishing touch with an emoji or icon above the title. Click Add Icon and pick something that fits your vibe. Whether it's a simple emoji or a custom image, matching the icon's color palette to your highlights or callout background ties everything together. If you upload a custom image, opt for a clean minimal graphic so it scales well. Finally, set the mood with a page cover. Type /cover to add a banner. Then choose from minimalist images, custom GIFs, or unsplash photos. Light textures, subtle gradients, or soft landscapes work beautifully for an aesthetic theme. Reposition the cover so key elements frame your title rather than compete with it. Put these pieces together: styled text, callouts, highlights, icons, and a thoughtful cover, and your Notion page title will look intentional and unforgettable. Thanks for watching.